Hey besties, do you know you can make money from home at least $100 every day? If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Don't touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Guys, I'm going to share with you a lot of things that you can do to make money from the comfort of your home while sitting pretty like me. Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. If you're new to this channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depth of my heart. Guys, if you're seeing me for the first time, let me also introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm your host, your bestie, your girl, your yes, so your friendship. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share with you various ways to level up and make money and increase the size of your bank accounts. If this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. If you have not introduced yourselves, let me remind you again, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? Let me give you a virtual handshake. Oh yeah, introduce yourself in the comments. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into today's business. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Guys, like I promised, I'm going to share with you how to make money from home, pretty much $100 every day. And I'll be sharing the websites. Yes, so the first thing you can do is, do you know that you can start a voiceover business? We've seen YouTube videos on Netflix that show a narrator describing the scene or event, but is never seen. Yes, guys, AI can never do a good job as much as human beings. Just in case you think that AI has replaced you, that is a big lie. You will always be in high demand. Yes, so besties, the people that actually do the narration on, voiceover sense is called a voiceover actor. Yes, so, and this business is booming. You want to get in on the action, guys. There are several ways to dip your toe in the entertainment industry. Consider some of the sites I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. The first on my list is Backstage. Yes, guys, I am on backstage.com. Besties, Backstage is the largest list of entertaining jobs in the country. Yes, it includes actors, singers, dancers, models, influencers. In fact, the list is endless. The second one is kidscasting.com. If you have a kid, your kid can start to audition as a model right from a tender age. Yes, you're going to be involved all the way till 100% as a parent or guardian, just so that you're able to monitor everything every step of the way. Yes, you can head over to kidscasting.com. It is a good website where kids can hone in on their skills, on their acting skills, on their modeling skills right from a tender age. And the good thing is kidcasting.com lists job daily. Yes, they list jobs daily for jobs around the country requiring kids. Another website you can go to is mandy.com. Yes, so guys, mandy.com lists voiceover jobs, work, film and TV crew jobs, musicians and so much more, artists and so much more. Guess what? You can also become a travel planner. Yeah, so anyone can check an aggregator site for the best price to fly to St. Louis. Planning a more elaborate trip might be too much for some travelers. This is where a travel planner comes in. You can use your skills to find the best trip, including flights, accommodation, rental car, and tours for the budgets. While this work has typically been done by travel agents, newer travel concierge services are popping up all over the place. I'm telling you, with that in mind, you can get started in this business with a simple website and some basic marketing tools. Another way to make money, oh my goodness, this is so good, is to start a daycare in your home. Yes, this is especially a good idea for stay-at-home parents who need to bring in some money and you're already staying home with your kids. Why not invite a few others to the party and get paid for it? Yes. Although licensing for in-home daycare varies from state to state, but you will want to make sure that you comply with your local regulations. Another way to make money is to start a catering business. I made money, yes, from catering when I was in grad school, when I was studying for my master's degree. Yes, I studied MBA at California State University, Dominguez Hills, and I catered. Yes, you don't want to know how much I charged per plate of food. Guys, you don't want to sleep on it for anything. So besties, if you love to cook on a grand scale, why not start a catering business out of your home? Yeah, so how much you can make depends on the scale of the assignments that you take and your ability to correctly decide how much your materials will cost. But this is also an industry where you can start small and work your way all the way to bigger gigs, yes, and gain profits. Now, another thing you can do is to become a mystery shopper. Yes. Mystery shopping, for so many people, the idea of getting paid to shop is a dream come true. You can shop, get paid to shop. They give you money and they allow you to go shop. Yes. I'll tell you the whole idea behind being a mystery shopper. Okay, guys, the whole idea behind being a mystery shopper is for the CEOs or the owners or the management of a business to find out what exactly outsiders perceive or how they perceive their organizations or their business enterprises. And I'm going to share my experience with you guys. I worked in the bank. I'm not going to name the bank here. And there was a mystery shopper one day. Yes, the bank actually assigned someone to come into the bank and request, find out about the products, the bank's products from my branch. Yes, so the mystery shopper came to my branch on that day. They want to see how knowledgeable everyone is. How friendly the staff are, how well grounded we are with the products that the bank offer. Thankfully, our branch performed excellently well. Yes, we were number one overall. Number one. They want to find out if you're going to be rude to customers. You don't know the person is a mystery shopper. So you must treat every client that comes in there as a mystery shopper. They have a tiny camera that is, recording every conversation, every detail, everything that is going on around. So this is the job of a mystery shopper. It can be in a pen. They can have a small camera attached to a pen and they clip it on their pocket, and then the mystery shopper comes in and says they come in like normal customers and they say hi, good morning. They get paid too. They're also they work for the institution or the organization, but they come in and they pretend like they're normal customers of the organization. So the mystery shopper walked in and said good morning. We're like, good morning, I'd like to open, what kind of accounts do you have? And then you start to tell them, you have the HIDA accounts, high interest deposit account, we have the exclusive accounts, we have this account. You have to, when you demonstrate if you demonstrate a high level of knowledge of the bank's products, then you're likely to pass. They score you for neatness, they score you for customer service, product knowledge, and what have you. There are so many things that they have to take to find out if your branch is truly doing well and is representing the culture of the organization or your institution. So yes, that is the job of a mystery shopper. You can actually be paid. You can be paid to shop, in a high-end store or in a designer's outlets. They want to find out if they really treat everyone, right, regardless of their color, their race, their economic status, and what have you. Yes. So these are some of the things that you do as a mystery shopper. You just collect information and help the management perceive how outsiders view them on the outside. I hope this is clear enough. If you do not understand what I've just explained, you can ask me again in the comments. What part of it don't you understand? I'm ready, and I'll be happy to go over it again. So you can work as a mystery shopper and make money as well. One of the websites that you can actually get a gig as a mystery shopper are, so guys, according to the website Scam Busters, legitimate mystery shopping can get paid $100 per job or even more. And I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually get paid, yes, as a mystery shopper or all of the other options that I've shared with you guys in today's video. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the very end. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. Love you.